Hey guys, my name is Nick Mejerski and I'm a multifamily broker with the Tuvia Group of Los Angeles. We've got a new listing at 636 North Spaulding Avenue, right around the corner from Fairfax High School, the Melrose Trading Post, that corridor with all of the ton of amenities they've got there. The renter demand for this pocket is through the roof. There's been over 95% occupancy at this building for the last 5 years. The ownership has had this building for over 50 years. There's a lot of juice, good upside in the rents, good opportunity to turn very clean, efficient units in a very in-demand pocket. We're asking $2,150,000 for the 8 units, and that's priced out right around $400 per foot of building. In this pocket, driveways tend to be a little bit more narrow, and that can cause an issue for tenants. And what's really nice about this building is the driveway is shared by its adjacent neighbor, and that allows the driveway to be nice and large, no issues whatsoever. Good parking in the back with a parking ratio of 0.75. This is a great opportunity that you don't want to miss if you're active in Fairfax. If you have any questions about it, feel free to give me a call. I can be reached at 818-212-2728. Thanks so much.